Good evening, hackers. Hello, it's your very friendly DGen. Jen, I have something new for us. I think it would be fun to learn the language GoLang, as they sometimes call it. I want to learn this language, and I thought, what better way to learn a language than to learn while teaching? So I thought it would be fun to mix some very relaxing ASMR with some learning modules. My ultimate goal is to learn how to write some RAG microservices and some agents. So if you're interested in that type of stuff, I thought it would be fun if we could go step by step in a series and learn Go together. So before we start, what is Go? So I did a little research on Go and why and where is it used. Go was created by Google around 2007. It was meant to kind of replace or be an alternative to C++ and Java. Python is great for scripting, but according to Google, it was never good at scale, so they created Go. I want my modules to be very simple and short, so I am separating them into 20 to 30 minute modules, and hopefully we can go from there. So before we start, we need our tools, and if you don't already have Go installed, we need to first install Go. So where do we go to install Go? We go to, let's see, go.dev.dll, and here we go. Well, I have a Windows, so I'm going to choose Windows. Let's see, we will, well, for now we'll save it here. And while that's downloading, we also need VS Code. I already have VS Code. If you're a coder, you might already have VS Code. But if you do not, let's go to VS Code download. And you have it here. And you want to download it for whatever OS that you have. So if you need to install either of these, go ahead and pause the video and install these two and to come back. Okay, now we should have Go installed. We have VS Code. We are ready to go. Now, what I did was go to this handy extension, this very handy Go button, and installed this language support. We now need to know if our Go is ready, so we go to View, then we go to Terminal. We want to see Terminal, so let's type Go version. As we can see, the answer is no. Okay, I'm back. Let's try this again. I restarted VS Code. And there we go. We just needed to restart. My problem was that I installed Go after opening VS Code, so we have Go installed. We have our VS Code extension for Go installed. Do we need anything else? I don't think so. So let's make our first Go application. We need a folder for our tutorial. We're going to make a Go learning. Do I trust the authors of the parent folder random shit? Well, yes I do. So let's go back to our terminal and let's do the following. So as we can see, Go created a new module named go.mod. So we need our first Go file in our new tutorial. So we're going to File, FMT is short for format. This is Go's library for formatting input and output. So you can do basic things: input, output, print to the screen, read from console, things like that. So now So I think that's a great place to stop. We created our first Hello World project, and we are off to the races. Now, look out for my next video that will hopefully link in the end of this video, where we will, what are we going